Last month I was talking about winter don'ts. Today I'm going to talk about winter do-dos.
Humpty Tumpty Tum. Whoa, I'm quite happy with that.
What are you doing? Oh, you said cover the beds in compost.
No, not those beds.
Oh, those beds. Thinking about it, that makes sense.
Get mulching those borders, get lots of lovely compost. It could be shop bought, it could be your own compost or well-rotted manure. Get a nice deep layer of this over your beds and borders. It'll keep your plants happy, it'll keep the moisture in and it'll keep the weeds down.
It's late January and you shouldn't wish your life away, but I'll tell you what, I'm really chuffed it's late January. It's really difficult after Christmas, the dark, long month of January, but February's just around the corner and then we're into spring, but there's still some jobs you can do in the garden. I went out earlier on and I pruned back this Sambucus nigra black lace, and lots of shrubs that flower on new wood like Sambucus, Buddleias, Hypericums, Spireas. If you cut them down sort of late winter, they'll come back with beautiful new shoots and they'll flower a lot better for you than that really, really old wood. So it's something you can get out and do right now. But something else you might want to look at doing is your lawnmower. Now, I know you've been told this before and I don't want to bore you, but it's really, really important to check your lawnmower this time of year. Whether it's battery powered, whether it's a push mower, whether it's petrol, get it checked now. Make sure the blade's nice and sharp. Check things like spark plug or the oil. Make sure the battery's charging up well on your battery mowers. Check all the joints, make sure the nuts and bolts are nice and tight. That way, when you want to start mowing, you've got a mower that's going to go. Winter evenings can be really long, dull and boring, so you might be looking for something to do. Like, for instance, I was also just at catching, looking through your plant catalogues. Get ordering those seeds, those perennials, all those plants for summer, looking at those beautiful sunny flowery pictures will really lift your mood and it'll just give you something to really look forward to. Before you order loads of new seeds though, fruit, vegetables or flowers, have a ferret through your old ones. Some of the ones that aren't open, they might still be viable for this year. Another do you can do right now is get colour in your garden. You don't need to wait till spring or summer. I've bought this beautiful container and I'm going to plant it up using this standard bay evergreen foliage, really, really shiny and glossy. You can even use it in cooking. But also I've got myself some lovely skimmias. The buds are a pinky colour, they open to pure white and they are so, so fragrant, tough and hardy. And also some gorgeous variegated ivies, bringing colour from foliage. Christmas roses, these have been flowering for weeks. They're going to keep flowering. They're evergreen, they're tough, they're hardy, really robust. But something that isn't evergreen, but it's certainly stunning, is this Edgeworthia chrysantha. Lovely, lovely heads of pure honey-coloured yellow flowers with the most amazing fragrance, and they'll even bring in the early pollinating insects. So don't wait until spring and summer for colour. Get some colour in your garden right now. I showed you the Edgeworthia, but another do you've got to do is get more plants like this. Daphnes, witch hazel, there's so many winter flowering shrubs, including viburnum, many, many different types. They'll bring you fragrance, they'll bring you colour, they'll bring in the pollinating insects and will look great with all those spring flowering bulbs. Oh, I'm indoors now. It's really chilly outside, but there's lots of do's you can do indoors. That's houseplants. You can't do much outside, but you can bring the outside in with the most stunning range of houseplants. Find the right spot, they'll live for year after year after year. They're evergreen, they're colourful, they flower, and some are even fragrant. So there you go. Sometimes do-dos aren't a bad thing, especially when they're winter do-dos. Happy gardening.